This video is to show everybody how a master electrician finishes off their switch plates. You just get as close as you can and you recess that switch into the wall. That's how I like to do mine. And then you caulk the edge for a nice clean finish. Just like that. One hand's good enough. You don't have to get real close. Just scoop the shit on there. Make sure you tape it off real good. Alright, about like that. How nice does that look? That's what I'm saying. Everyone else has been doing it wrong this whole time.